What's good? It's your boy Coach T, and welcome back to the Mud Talk Radio channel. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, because if you're into fashion, sports, life, and culture, then you're into this channel. Let's go. I'm back with another video, man, and I'm gonna be honest, man. It's Friday. I hope you guys are having a great day, but I am super excited about today's video because this is a first. You know what I'm saying? Monday was the first time we brought a Jordan 9 to the channel. Today is the first time we're bringing another sneaker to the channel, and you probably already know because you've seen the description or the title to the video. You've seen the thumbnail, man, so you know what we're here for today. Let's not even play around. So I got the box right here, man, and as you can see, clearly it says Nike SB on the box. You know what's inside the box. Let's go ahead and read it, man. Oh, the wrong way, this way. We got the Nike SB Dunk Low Premium RL. Colorway is pure platinum and deep royal blue. This is a men's 8, women's 9.5. Wifey got lucky. Well, I ain't gonna say lucky, man. Her account been on fire, gang. So she hit for a banger right here, man. I'm jealous. All right, so we go ahead and open this box, man. And look, some standard tissue paper right here. Let's go ahead and pull this first one out. Let's just do that. Boom. We got the Nike SB Dunk Low Rayssa Leal right there, man. And I hope I said it right, man. I actually seen a bunch of reviews on this shoe already, so I was trying to figure out who said it right, who said it wrong, because it's a lot of big sneaker YouTube channels out here that I've heard mispronounce sneakers. I've mispronounced sneakers, so ain't nobody perfect. You know what I'm saying? I seen a channel that got almost 1 million subs, and he mispronounced sneakers all the time, guys. So I told y'all, we ain't perfect over here. We gonna play it the way we play it. So let me know if I said it right. I think I said Rayssa Leal, so I think that's what the RL stands for. This is a fire shoe. Let's get into the details. And I'm gonna be honest, my initial reaction on this shoe when I pulled it out the box was I'm honestly blown away by the details on here. You know, there are a lot of details. You have that leather on the toe box. You got premium. I ain't gonna say it's premium. In my opinion, it's some pretty good suede going around the toe cap. We got a gum bottom on here. The side panel, you have this leather Nike swoosh right here in that purple. I say, yeah, that's a purple right there. By the way, wifey's favorite color is purple. Her birthday is, if you're watching this video today, her birthday was a few days ago. You know what I'm saying? For March the 26th. You know what I'm saying? March the 26th. OG was born for real. One of the greatest. You know, so say happy birthday to my wife in the comment section, man. You know, she already got everything she wants. She, you know, I think, you know, right now we currently at the beach, so, you know, we enjoying life right now. But as you can see, man, the side panel has this kind of waffle-like texture going on right there underneath that leather Nike swoosh. And you continue to have suede going all the way around the shoe. A mix of some pretty decent leather, I would say. This is a premium sneaker, so the leather, I would say, is not super great, but it's decent. It's good. I thought it would be better considering the fact that they said this is a premium shoe. You got that suede on the back with that embroidered Nike right there. Also, you got that Nike on the tongue and that purple with Rayssa Leal on there. This is a beautiful shoe, man. You kind of got some sneaker shoelace accessories going on. Let's go ahead and grab the second shoe out so we can do a quality control check. Hey man, we're gonna do a side-by-side comparison on what I like to call the quality control segment of this video. And as I'm looking at the shoe, man, I'm doing a better job, guys, to throw in some B-roll. Let me know if the B-roll is helping you guys look at the shoe the way I'm looking at the shoe, just from a different perspective, and just trying to look for any type of defects, quality control issues. Typically with Nike SBs, they're in pretty good shape, man. They're premium sneakers. So, I'm not seeing any issues, man. Honestly, especially with you got the embroidered R going on. You got embroidered Nike on the back. No stitching issues, man. The leather's intact. No creasing, no scuffs, no scratches, no stains. This is a beautiful, beautiful shoe. Great job, Nike. All right, man. So let's talk about styling, man. Let's talk about styling this shoe. You know, with an SB, I think it actually is a shoe that really looks good with shorts. A lot of people might say, why does it look good with shorts? Well, you think about SB, you think about skateboarders. This shoe was made to skateboard in. That's why you have this extra padding, you have this fat tongue that helps really support your shoe. And as I'm saying that, well, support your shoe, support your ankle. We got some extra laces in here that I forgot to mention. You got that royal blue is what they're calling that. It's more like a navy blue to me. And then you got that purple. You know, which one do you think will look better in this shoe? In my opinion, I know my wife was gonna go with the purple. I would say the blue or the purple would look really, really good in this shoe. And you can't go wrong with the white either, but shorts, you know, for my wife, I would love to see her just, you know, chill out, some leggings on, you know what I'm saying? And, you know, right now, actually the outfit she got on right now wouldn't look bad. Y'all can't see her behind the camera, but you know, it'll look really dope, man. Some leggings and just a t-shirt and just be real chill, man. This is a shoe that you can definitely walk around in all day. Very, very comfortable sneaker, very comfortable sneaker. But you can do your thing with it, fellas. You can also wear jeans with it, t-shirt, go to Raw Melon Apparel, or Raw Melon Apparel, or rawmelonclothing.com, whichever one you want to do. The link is in the description, man. And go cop you some Raw Melon, because it'll look good with this too. You know what I'm saying? But when it comes to styling, it ain't very hard, man. It's a dope sneaker, man. Put this sneaker on display. Let it speak for itself. All right, so let me get my words right. I got to give you my rating before we get out of here, gang. This ain't a tough one. This ain't a tough one. It might be tough on y'all when y'all hear it, but I personally think that this sneaker is fire. Just in and out, the materials, from the tongue to the laces, to the accessories on the laces, to the leather, to the suede, to the insole, man, the gum bottom, man. They did a phenomenal job with this shoe. And for that reason, gang, for that reason, because I've been giving out a lot of 5s and 6s and 6.5s. But not today, man. We're going 9 out of 10 for the Nike SB Dunk Low Rayssa Leal, man. Let me know if that's too high in the comment section below. Let me know if it's too low in the comment section below and why. You know what I'm saying? Let's keep it positive over here. But let me know what you think about the sneakers. Is this one that you would pick up? Is this one you're going to try to grab on the aftermarket? Either way, you know the saying, man. Love is free, hate costs. You've been watching Mud Talk with your boy, Coach T. I'm out.
Subscribe, like, comment, hit that post notification.
Oh yeah, you heard it first and foremost.
Go hit the like, go subscribe, go all that.
All that, man.